Today, we're breaking down 5 real ways you can actually make money with AI. Let's jump right in.
So the opportunity here is massive, but there's a catch, a big one that stops most people.
Look, the reality is, for a lot of basic jobs, AI is already here. It can do the work.
So you can't just use AI. You've got to be smarter. It all starts with your mindset.
Okay, so here's the mindset shift. Think workflows, master context, and jump on this opportunity now.
All right, method number 1. This is brilliant. You're basically poaching your competitors' unhappy customers.
You just point an AI at sites like Trustpilot. It finds all the angry 1- and 2-star reviews.
And get this, someone on Twitter did this and found almost 300 hot leads, just like that.
He resold automatically and got an 11% reply rate. That's huge. And it booked 19 calls.
And the result? 8 new clients. That turned into over $35,000 in revenue.
So the workflow is simple. Claude finds reviews, Apollo gets emails, and instantly sends the message.
Okay, method 2 is completely different. It's about getting paid for your voice, passively.
There's this platform, ElevenLabs. You can just upload a clone of your voice for others to use.
And check this out. One person made over 40,000 rupees just by uploading their voice once.
All right, method 3. If you're a bit more advanced, you can become a high-paid AI consultant.
You'd be training teams, building AI systems, and maybe even managing them for a monthly fee.
And companies are paying big money. We're talking up to 5 lakh rupees for just one session.
But you don't have to go corporate. Method 4 is way more accessible, helping out busy creators.
Things like writing their content or designing thumbnails. You can charge monthly or per project. It's flexible.
Okay, last one, method 5. This one's about helping local businesses in your own backyard. It's a simple hustle. Find a business with no website. Use AI to build one, then sell it.
Feeling inspired? Good. The next step is to level up your skills. Here are a few courses.
These courses cover the whole spectrum, from absolute beginner stuff to advanced prompt engineering.
Now, here's the real kicker. Right now, only about 10% of people are really using AI.
That means the door is wide open. You're still early. The only question is, what are you going to do?